Hi guys, good morning to one and all present here. Now I am going to explain the pack concept. Actually pack is nothing but it's a simple one. Predictive is a prediction based cloud bandwidth and cost reduction system. Now I am going to explain how this project is working and what all the methodologies and implementations are working with this project. I am going to explain now. See, basically pack is a cloud and server concept, and most important thing is that how the packet, the content, data to be transferred is the important one in this. Now I am going to explain the client and server concept. First we go to the Microsoft Visual Studio. And we run the server and client file separately. Now first we are going to run the server file. After that we are going to run the client file. The main concept is how the packet transferred to client to server is the important thing in that. Let's see how the packets are transferred from client to server in the fastest way. See, now the client program is running, server is already run. Now I am going to running the client program. Yeah, the client screen is up here. In client contain home, file details, and from where we get the file and where to send the file and how the packets are allocated. Every details are in the client program. And the server where the file received and how the files are extracted and how the files are transferred and how the files are loaded and the number of segments, every details and the process details are from the server side. Now I am going to show you the client and server window and how the process is going on. Now I am going to explain you. See, I am select the file from the local system, local computer. See, now I am open file dialog is a file name. I am going to select the file now. For example, see, base paper 1 chunk PDF file I selected. In this file, I am selected from the client side. See this, now the segment is 4. I am transferring the file in the 4 segments. I mean the site A, B, C and D. From the 4 way I am going to send. So in the server, I put the number of segments received is 4. And for that I create a folder for where the file going to save in the server side. And then now I check the file details of where the file and everything and the settings. In these settings we have to give how many segments of the file going to separate. So I will give the 4 way. How many router the file going to separate, I give the 4 way of router. In every router 2 segments will be sent. In the process I give the exact link that I open in the server side. I check the chunk folder link and click send. Click send is it split the file to send to the server for the fastest process. Now I click in the split send file. See, now router A and router B, chunk 3 and chunk 3 transferred successfully. In every chunk there is 2 segments are transferred. If now we going to check the chunk folder in the desktop. See, in the chunk folder, wait a minute, yeah, see this. We send a file and the 4 files are separated and the final output file also in the chunk folder.